students, today we are discussing nervous system. Last class we already studied different parts of the nervous system. Today we are studying about nervous system. Before we can check what we studied last class. That structure of neuron, different types of neurons, what is synapse? All these we studied. Sensory nerve, motor nerve, mixed nerve, dendrite, dendron, cytone, axon, axonal, synaptic nerve. All these we studied. Synapse is the gap between two neurons, neuron and a muscle cell, neuron and a glandular cell. All this. A neuron transmitter produced in between into the synapse, that is acetylcholine. Here we are studying nervous system. Our nervous system we can divide into two: central nervous system, and a peripheral nervous system. Our nervous system we can divide into two: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Which are the parts of central nervous system? What is central nervous system? It is the center of our nervous system. That is brain and spinal cord. Very simple. Brain and spinal cord. These are the part of nervous system. Central nervous system, brain and spinal cord is a part of nervous system. That is central nervous system. Brain and spinal cord. Spinal cord that passing through our vertebral column. That is central nervous system divided as brain and spinal cord. These are the part. Whereas peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system and central nervous system is connected. Peripheral nervous system is connected to central nervous system. Our body is connected. Body part is connected to central nervous system. Raise the bell. Question. Our body part is connected to center, that central nervous system, through 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerves. I know you not understood what this 12 pairs of cranial nerves. What is cranial nerves? The nerves which are originating from our brain, and 31 pairs of spinal nerves. That spinal nerves arising from our spinal cord. That is, this is brain, and this one is our spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord is the central nervous system. 12 pairs of cranial nerves. From these 12 pairs, this like 12 pairs rising from brain. That is part of peripheral nervous system, and 31 pairs of spinal nerves. These nerves are the group of nerves are the part of peripheral nervous system. And once again I am repeating here, central nervous system and our nervous system divided into two: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Brain and spinal cord are the part of central nervous system. Peripheral nervous system means 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerves. 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerves. These are the part of our peripheral nervous system. Okay. Now we can study brain. Structure of brain. It is very important. Every question paper you can see the one diagram of brain and label the parts. In question you can see there. So what are the important parts of brain? You can say, what are the important of brain? The brain is a supercomputer, you know. Human being discovering everything by using their brain. That is important. So what are the important of brain? You know, how is brain? Brain is made by neurons. You know the structure of neuron. Brain is completely neuron. So brain is made by neuron, made up of neuron. Brain is protected. How you can see the brain is protected inside the skull. Is the skull inside the skull? Our brain is protected. And brain is covered by a special membrane. That membrane is called meninges. 3 points you can say now about the brain. Brain is protected by skull. Brain is made up of neurons. Brain is covered by meninges. A three-layer membrane is called meninges. That brain is covered a 3-layer membrane. Meninges. The meninges is filled with a special fluid is called cerebrospinal fluid. CSF, short. Cerebrospinal fluid is filled inside the meninges. How it's forming? The cerebrospinal fluid is forming from the blood and reabsorbing into the blood. CSF, that is the fluid present inside the meninges. That fluid is forming from the blood and be absorbing into the blood. What are the importance of cerebrospinal fluid? Why it's forming there? Because the cerebrospinal fluid is a special fluid. Yes, fluid. That fluid is filled inside the brain ventricles of the brain and inside the meninges. The functions of cerebrospinal fluid, which are protecting from external shock. Second one, regulating pressure inside the brain. Third one, providing, very important point is this, providing oxygen and nutrients to the brain. നമ്മുടെ ബ്രെയിനിന് ആവശ്യമായിരിക്കുന്ന ഓക്സിജൻ ആൻഡ് ന്യൂട്രിയൻസ് നൽകുക, എക്സ്റ്റേണൽ ഷോക്കിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മുടെ ബ്രെയിനെ പ്രൊട്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ആൻഡ് തേർഡ് വൺ, റെഗുലേറ്റിംഗ് പ്രഷർ, ഉള്ളിലെ പ്രഷർ റെഗുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. Then which are the parts of brain? ബ്രെയിനിന്റെ പാർട്സുകൾ ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, cerebrum, cerebellum, thalamus, hypothalamus, medulla oblongata. Cerebrum, cerebellum, thalamus, hypothalamus, medulla oblongata. All these are the very important parts of brain. Not only this, many parts are there that we not want study now. Okay, what is the important part of cerebrum? Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Our brain have two hemispheres, right hemisphere and left hemisphere. Right hemisphere controlling left side of the body, left hemisphere controlling right side of the body. Once again I am repeating, our brain have two hemisphere, right hemisphere and left hemisphere. Right hemisphere controlling left side of our body, left hemisphere controlling right side of our body. Okay, next, our brain have first part, that is cerebrum function largest part. Numerous fissures and folds are seen here. Numerous fissures, ചുളിവുകളും മടക്കുകളും കാണും. Very important point is this function and പറയുന്നത്. Function is that intelligence, imagination, thought, memory. Intelligence, imagination, thought, memory. ബുദ്ധി, ഓർമ്മ, ചിന്ത, ഭാവന, ഈ കാര്യങ്ങളും ഇന്റലിജൻസ്, ഇമാജിനേഷൻ, തോട്ട്, മെമ്മറി. ആൻഡ് ഇവോക്ക് സെൻസേഷൻ, എല്ലാ സെൻസുകളും സാധ്യമാക്കുന്നത് സെറിബ്രമാണ്. ഇവോക്ക് സെൻസേഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, cerebral function, intelligence, imagination, thought, memory. Second one, cerebellum. Cerebellum is the lowest part situated below the cerebrum, coordinating muscular activities and maintaining equilibrium of the body. Coordinating muscular activities and maintaining equilibrium of the body. നമ്മുടെ ബോഡിയുടെ ബാലൻസിംഗ് കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഭാഗമാണ്. Coordinating muscular activities, maintaining equilibrium of the body. That is the first point of cerebellum. Thalamus act as a relay station of impulse. Relay station. തലാമസിലൂടെ അല്ലാതെ ഒരു മെസ്സേജും സെറിബ്രത്തിലേക്ക് കടന്നില്ല. സെറിബ്രത്തിൽ നിന്ന് ഒരു മെസ്സേജും തലാമസിലൂടെ അല്ലാതെ കടന്നു വരുന്നില്ല. Act as a relay station of impulse that done by thalamus. And second point, analyzing impulses from various part of the body. ശരീരത്തിന്റെ വിവിധ ഭാഗങ്ങളിൽ നിന്നുള്ള impulse means message. ചൂട് തണുപ്പ് പല മെസ്സേജും വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. ഈ മെസ്സേജിനെയൊക്കെ ഇങ്ങനെ വിലയിരുത്തിയിട്ട് ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട മെസ്സേജിനെ ആർക്ക് അയച്ചു കൊടുക്കുന്നു? സെറിബ്രത്തിന് അയച്ചു കൊടുക്കുന്ന പണി ധർമ്മം ചെയ്യുന്നത് തലാമസാണ്. Analyzing impulses from various part of the body. Analyzing impulses from various part of the body and send important message to cerebrum. സെറിബ്രത്തിലേക്ക് അതിൽ നിന്ന് ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട മെസ്സേജിനെ സെറിബ്രത്തിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കുന്നത് ആരാണ്? തലാമസ്. അപ്പോൾ തലാമസിനെ കുറിച്ച് 2.1, act as a relay station of impulses. Second one, analyzing impulses from various part of the body and send one important message to cerebrum. And third one, fourth one, hypothalamus. Hypothalamus controlling, hypothalamus is the dharma. Hypothalamus is the function maintaining homeostasis. Homeostasis. What is homeostasis? That you already studied in 9th class. Homeostasis. What is homeostasis? Maintaining actually removal of unwanted substances from our body as a result of metabolic activities, anabolism and catabolism. As a result of the metabolism, many waste product substances are forming in our body. That unwanted substances removing and maintaining internal equilibrium. Not only that, regulating hormone level equilibrium. Upon hormone level balancing, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ശരീരത്തിന് ആവശ്യമില്ലാത്ത വിസർജ വസ്തുക്കളൊക്കെ പുറന്തള്ളി തുലനനില, ആന്തരികമായിട്ടുള്ള തുലനനില പാലനം ചെയ്യുന്നത്, അതായത് മെയിൻറ്റെയിനിങ് ഹോമിയോസ്റ്റാസിസ് ഡൺ ബൈ ഹൈപ്പോതലാമസ്. മെയിൻറ്റെയിനിങ് ഹോമിയോസ്റ്റാസിസ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് one, medulla oblongata. What is the importance of medulla oblongata? One film name is there, medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. What is the importance of medulla oblongata? Is the medulla oblongata situated below the cerebrum and near to the cerebellum? The rod-shaped medulla oblongata situated below the cerebrum and near to the cerebellum. This one is cerebellum. This one is cerebrum, outer surface. Then it's situated below, near to the cerebellum. Rod ദണ്ഡാകൃതി ഷേപ്പ് കാണും. അതാണ് സ്പൈനൽ കോഡ് ആയിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ വെർട്ടിബ്രൽ കോഡത്തിന്റെ ഉള്ളിലൂടെ അങ്ങ് കടന്നു പോകുന്നത്. മെഡുല്ല ഒബ്ലോങ്കേറ്റ. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് മെഡുല്ല ഒബ്ലോങ്കേറ്റ? ഇൻവോളണ്ടറി ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ്, കൺട്രോളിംഗ് ഇൻവോളണ്ടറി ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ്. നമ്മുടെ ബോഡിയിലെ ഇൻവോളണ്ടറി ആയിരിക്കുന്ന ആക്ഷൻസ് ലൈക്ക് ബ്രീത്തിങ്, റെസ്പിറേഷൻ, പൾസ്, ഇസോഫാഗസ്, സ്മോൾ ഇൻറ്റെസ്റ്റൈനിലൊക്കെ കാണുന്ന പെരിസ്റ്റാൾസിസ്, all these are involuntary movements. ഈ involuntary movements നെ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് മെഡുല്ല ഒബ്ലോങ്കേറ്റ. I am repeating once again: cerebrum, intelligence, imagination, thought, memory and evokes sensation. Functions മാത്രമാണ് ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത്. cerebellum, body balancing, and thalamus, relaxation, active relaxation, analyzing impulse from various part of the body and sending important message to the cerebrum. Hypothalamus, maintaining homeostasis. Medulla oblongata, controlling involuntary activities like respiration and breathing, heartbeat, everything. Okay, I am concluding here. Thank you.